Okay, so as you all know, I have the 2027 Kia Telluride SX, right? But I'm gonna give you my biggest negative on it so far. Something that came factory in the car. So in the SUV, in the truck, in the car, right? So it's been annoying me, and I finally put an end to it. Well, I'm about to put an end to it. I wanted to show you guys. So I just finished washing the exterior, so everything's up. But let me get right to the point of what frustrates me. After I clean it, I'm about to go to my interior. It's these mats that came with the car. They easily pick up dirt. I'm not too sure on the camera how well you can see. Let me even go back to here. And mind you, it's just me. I had maybe 2 people sit in this back seat. This one is pretty okay, but I already see all the dust and dirt here. Now, mind you, granted, I get it. I'm the driver, so I'm gonna see more on my side. But I promise you, like, this isn't like a month or 2 months. This is like 3 or 4 days right here. I find myself having to vacuum and clean that out. The back is pretty good. I do bring things in and out of here, but this mat held up good so far. But I want to change everything. I just want to change everything out that came with the truck. But at the moment, that is my #1 gripe I have. Is car looks fresh, everything looks great, and the second I open the door, I'm reminded about that. And what I did get is Michelin TPE floor mats are in the building. Shout out to Tread Auto right here on this, but I'm definitely gonna go through this in detail and put them in and see how I like them versus the factory Kia mats that came in. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna install them, and then I'm also gonna give it about 2-3 days before I come back and give my final review on them. But everything that I've seen online and all the reviews I've seen on Amazon, very important to read the reviews, thus far, it seems like that's the one I needed. Again, there's nothing more frustrating than having your car freshly washed, or even if it wasn't washed, just every time you jump in your car, you just see that dirt. Like if you just, anyhow, you get the point. I don't want to vacuum every 2-3 days. All right, and here's everything laid out. I do like looking at here that on, I believe, okay, it's the front mat and the back mat. So the 2 front mat, we do have the the Michelin logo right there. I'm still thinking basketball, New York Knicks championship. On the back mat right here, we have the Michelin logo. And again, on the front mat, we have the logo. So on the back row and the 3rd row seat, we don't have the logo. But obviously, as soon as you get in the car and when you're behind in the back of the car, you have the logo. So I'm gonna let these lay out probably for like another 2-3 hours to see if it flattens a bit. They pretty much, for the most part, came flattened. Just a little edge right there and a little bit on the corner right here. But yeah, lay these out and install them. All right, let's get rid of these. All right, that was an easy pop. Okay, now for the Michelin. All right, first Michelin mat installed. Okay, cool. I already see a really cool feature on these mats compared to the others that I'm going to show you guys right after this. Let me show you the first thing I already like about this mat. Here's the Telluride original mat. See at the bottom where it cuts off right here. Assuming first time seeing this, that's how it's supposed to go. But looking at this mat here, I like how at the bottom it cuffs under right here, so nothing additional will get under from this perspective compared to here. Anything, any extra dust, dirt, anything is just gonna, the minute you lift this, is gonna be all extra under the seat. So this covering here and also on both front seats, this is a pretty cool feature already. So same in the back seat as the front. It has this extra guard, this extra lip that goes up that prevents any dirt or any sand or anything just to get in between. One thing I was worried about when I first took these off, the Telluride one that came with it, what I did like, have this connector here and it went through the bottom. So when I first seen the Michelin, that was the only thing I was concerned about. Like, man, I wonder if it's gonna fit the same way. And Absolutely it does. You see right at the edge of the lip, it's not hanging out, it tucks right under. So perfectly there, so anybody can step on here when getting out, and it'll cover perfectly, so it actually fit pretty well. All right, we got the trunk mat laid down, and this was super crucial for me. And again, I'm a director, so I have a lot of equipment. I take in and out of stuff, so having this mat here is super essential, so you won't scratch everything up. But I guess if you do the average run with groceries, any kids' toys or whatever you do, you would want this too. But the first thing that stands out to me is this lip that goes all around. What I do love about this edge and lip and how it comes off is nothing's gonna get stuck behind it. So whether it's liquid or any kind of toys or dirt or anything like that, it doesn't, again, it'll be very hard to go in between. So I do like that. And then secondly, it's super easy. Once you bring up the seats, this wave fit right here gets pinched in between the seats, which is the trunk floor, and between the trunk floor and the back of the seat. Again, this right here is the wave fit, and as you see, as I did that, pinches right there, and it is good to go. Continue to add what you need to add. And for me, I keep them, for the most part, I do keep my seats again down. But if I keep one in, one up and one down, this is essentially would be ideal for me right here. And once again, just want to reiterate, these wave fits right here, you know when you're good to go when you bring them in, and it just locks in place. Bam, pinches right in between, again, the floor seat, the floor trunk, and the rear seat, good to go. And as you see, everything's pre-aligned, has all the cutouts here, and you know you're aligned when these can just match right up. And yeah, you're good to go. So that is the trunk side of things on these mats. And now it is 5 days later. And if you remember what I said earlier, my biggest negative was that every time I got in my truck from the originally Telluride mats, within a day or two, they'll be super dusty, like if I just went through a whole month of running through dirt. So that was my biggest negative, and that was my biggest reason for saying, let me try these Michelin mats and seeing, give it a couple days. And it actually rained the last 2 days, which was actually really helpful because I was in and out of my car a lot. So this was like the true test to see how much dirt would be in there, but then also how quick can I vacuum and pick it up. Today's the true test with the mats. Let's see how quick and easy this picks up and how much dirt it actually held. All right, back here is not much. Okay. That was pretty easy. The real test is right here. Let's see how this does. All right, as you see, not too bad, but definitely a lot of dirt in between. And this is the dirt from inside the mats from about a week. I can see some sand or some dirt. Obviously, anything little in there, all the lint stuff, some hair. But yeah, again, this is about 5 days-ish. Yeah, about 5-6 days or so of dirt that got left on the mat. And as you see how quick and easy that was to pick up. So, yes, sir. So now for the $1 million question is, what is the verdict? Am I happy with it? Am I just okay with it? Or am I gonna keep the original Telluride mats that came with? I definitely love it, and I'm gonna keep them. So I definitely stamped them, not just for Tellurides, obviously, for any car that you have, any vehicle that you might have. These are gonna go great for it, but specifically for my Telluride, I love them. Again, you see everything I was talking about with the lip, how it goes around. Back seats, they look great. As you already seen in the trunk, how that goes. And yeah, I'm actually thankful that I ran it through the test. Again, I didn't just open through the package, put it in the car and thought like, oh yeah, these are great. No. Thankfully, it rained a few days. I had some groceries to take out. Had 3 or 4 people in the vehicle during that time. So it was a good week of real trial and error for me, and didn't pick up as much dust as the other one. I see some here, but that's perfectly fine. The marks is okay with me. I don't mind vacuuming, as you've seen the vacuum I had, every week or so, not every 1 to 2 days like I had to do prior. So Michelin, you outdid yourself with this one. So definitely appreciate these set of mats here And again, I definitely recommend them. So signing off, man.